Alright, hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nia, and on this channel we do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, all the vibes. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe.
She like it on me, I like the way she take it. They like my picture, that make her jealous, she won't say it.
Alright, today you guys, we have the most exciting thing in the world at this point. Rhode sent me their new skincare launch, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you guys. So today, here's how the video is gonna go, okay? I'm gonna go over the products in the beginning and kind of just explain like what they are, the vibes, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to demo them on my skin and kind of just show you what they look like, tell you how they feel, that kind of stuff. Obviously, I haven't had these products to do like a long-term review, but I can already say that a couple of them are in my, we're like this already. So I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about the products and then show you what they look like on the skin. And yeah, I'm so excited. Like I literally, when I got this in the mail, I was screaming, crying, throwing up all at the same time. So anyway, let's just get into it. So here is the package. I'm not sure if you order the whole kit, if it's gonna come like this. It might. This is the kit. Look at Hailey. Beautiful, gorgeous queen. Her skin looks so stunning. Like in all of the promo pictures, the skin, sis, is just giving. It's giving what it needs to give. Anyway, this is what the box looks like. It's already gone through a little bit of a tough time because I've been like taking these products out, putting them back in, using them. This is what it looks like. There's a barrier restore cream. There is the Peptide glazing fluid. Then there are 3 of the lip treatments. So you can use these as like lip balms or like a mask or whatever you want, honestly, a gloss. So anyway, that's what comes in here. And I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the products. First of all, when it comes to the packaging, it's so cute. I love it. It's so like, it's just me in a packaging form, I feel like. This like gray, just sleek, simple matte. I feel like it's really on brand for Hailey, if that makes sense. Anyway, let's get into the products. So let's start with, I have this little pamphlet here that has everything in it. Peptide glazing fluid. So this is $29, gonna retail for $29. This is the packaging. What is the size on it? How many ounces does it say? 1.7 ounces of product, and it's called the Peptide glazing fluid. It says, our signature dewy glow in a bottle, a lightweight, quick absorbing hybrid serum gel for instantly yummy, radiant skin. I would agree with that. I feel like when I first tried it, I was like, okay, it's like a serum and a moisturizer. It's like bordering between the two. When you pump it out, it's kind of like, looks like it's gonna be a moisturizer, but then as soon as you put it on the skin, it kind of like instantly feels like serum. It feels really nice, but it's kind of definitely a hybrid. It says benefits, plumps and hydrates skin, instantly illuminates for glazed finished. Okay, period. It like the way that I would describe it is almost like a plumping lip gloss, even though it's like not a plumping lip gloss at all. It like gives me that same like, okay, so you know after the tingle stops, like after the tingling on the lip gloss stops and it's no longer like burning, you just have that really like plump, like stimulated, I don't even know how to explain it. It feels like your skin is like super just like juiced up and ready to go, and it feels like everything is just, you know? I don't know, I love it. I love the feeling that it gives me. It makes me feel like very just youthful. I mean, I am youthful, but it makes me feel super youthful. Anyway, more glaze, less dullness, fine lines, dryness, and uneven texture. It does have niacinamide, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and marula oil. I love niacinamide in my products. It's my new favorite thing. So I'm obsessed that her products have niacinamide in it. Niacinamide helps smooth your texture a lot. So if you do have textured skin, these products will definitely help over time with your texture. Hyaluronic acid, hydration. It's a very hydrating launch. Like everything is very just juiced skin. Anyway, $29, gorgeous. Highly recommend if you're looking for a nice like serum. Okay, so next is the Barrier Restore Cream. So that's this one. This, you guys, is my new favorite moisturizer. I'm obsessed with this. I am obsessed. Okay, so this is the BRC, Barrier Restore Cream, $29. Everything is under $30. I think that's her vibe. Rich cream moisturizer to comfort, soothe, and restore the skin barrier. It's our concentrated antioxidant and peptide powerhouse. Okay, so the benefits of it are nourishes and replenishes skin moisture and comforts a compromised skin barrier. This just feels like, when I squeezed it out, I already tried all of this on TikTok, so I already had my first impressions of it. But as soon as I squeezed it out, I kind of was like shook because I was not expecting for it to feel like so luxe and just like creamy and thick. I was living for it. Dexter's chewing his food over there, so if you hear crunching, that's dexterity. Like, it definitely feels like a protective layer. Like after you finish everything else in your skincare, you pop this on, it feels definitely like a protective layer, and just like that just, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really thick, really moisturizing without being like too heavy. Some creams can feel like really heavy and like they're just like, ugh, on your face. It's still lightweight, but it feels so luxe. So yeah, that was the Barrier Restore Cream. Again, it's just like, it has replaced all my other moisturizers in literally a day. I just love the way that it feels. It just feels amazing, and it feels definitely like a Barrier Restore Cream. Like when you put it on, you're just like, yes, that is what my skin was needing. So I'm obsessed with that. Now we're moving on to Peptide lip treatments. I am obsessed with these. If you know me, you know I love a good lip balm. Like I have like 100. These are great. I know a good lip balm when I feel them. These are great. Okay, so this says, I'm blind, I can't see that far away. This is $16, and I feel like that's pretty much the price of like higher end lip balms, $16. It says a restorative lip treatment for naturally plump, pillowy, soft lips, day or night. This dreamy formula leaves lips looking glossy and works hard to protect and nourish dry skin from within. Benefits: it restores and replenishes dry lips, helps lock in moisture for plumper, softer lips. It has shea butter, peptides. I'm gonna have to put the last two ingredients on the screen because I don't know how to pronounce those, and I'm not gonna embarrass myself, so I'll learn and then I'll put them up on the screen. This comes in watermelon, unscented, and salted caramel. At first when I saw the salted caramel, I was like, what? Because I am a fruity girl. Like I love fruity on my lips. I don't like chocolatey stuff. I don't like, you know what I mean? I just am a fruity girl. But this smells like candy. It smells so good. And the scent is not overbearing when you put it on your lips. Like you can smell it. It's more about like the experience. Like you can smell it when you're putting it on and like it smells really good and you're loving it. But as you go throughout the day, it's not this overwhelming scent. If you know what I mean, some like lip glosses and lip products like have this lingering smell where you almost get sick of it because it's just always there and you're like, ugh, literally get off. This one doesn't have that. It smells really good right out of the bottle and as you put it on your lips, but you can't really smell it too much throughout the day. You can smell it a little bit, but it's not overwhelming. My favorite is the watermelon. I love that she has unscented formulas for people who are just, that's not their vibe. I love the watermelon. I've literally been taking, actually when I sat down to film this video, I had to run back down to the car and get the watermelon one from the car because I've been using it all day. I've been using it for the past 2 days, like I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, those are all the products. She came out with 3 products and it's all very hydrating. This, it says plumper. I don't want you guys to think that like it's tingling and it's like a lip plumper. It's not, it's just so hydrating that your lips look plump. Like there's no tingly lip plumping situation going on. So I just don't want anyone to be confused. These are great. Again, the packaging is just so cool girl. And I feel like Hailey is just a cool girl. This is giving very cool girl. So now let's get into the demo of the products, show you how they look on the skin, everything like that. So first things first, let's use the lip treatment because my lips are dry. This one smells, I was saying this on TikTok, this one smells like a watermelon Sour Patch, you guys. If you know, you know. I love the smell of this. It smells so candy-ish, so candy-ish, I love it. Okay, lip treatment that's on. It's kind of a thicker formula. It's definitely not thin, it's definitely thick. It feels like very, almost, it says lip treatment. It feels more lip treatment-y than it would lip balm. I use it as a lip balm and whatever I feel like, but it feels definitely more like something that you would wear overnight for like overnight hydration. It's like thick like that. but honestly, it's super comfortable on the lips. I mean, you can tell it looks amazing. I need to stop saying obsessed because like I need more words in my vocabulary, but I'm obsessed, okay? Yeah, the lip treatment is very thick. It's very luxe. It definitely feels hydrating, and look at my lips. They look good and juicy. Now let's put on the Peptide glazing fluid. This is what the component looks like. It has this little cute little edge, and so does the lip treatment. They have that little edge, which I think is so cute. The top just pops off. At first I was trying to screw it off, but it just pops off. And then it's this little pump applicator, so cute. And I'm gonna show you guys what I was talking about when I was saying that it comes out almost moisturizer-y. It comes out like a really thin moisturizer. I'm not sure if it's focusing. A really just like thin moisturizer, but then you'll see as soon it like becomes serumy as soon as it's like rubbed in, which I thought was really interesting. So we're just gonna rub this on the skin. It instantly makes your skin glowy. It really, really, really does. And it definitely feels, the closest thing I could relate it to is almost like a water moisturizer, but then it's not really the same because like the texture is kind of like a water moisturizer. But you know when you use a water moisturizer and then it like instantly like vanishes and just absorbs into the skin super fast, and then your face is like a little bit dry almost afterwards. It doesn't have that same feeling, but the texture is like a water moisturizer. Feels really, really nice and super hydrating. Like very, again, that plumping feeling, like, I don't know what it is. I don't know. Hopefully when like more people are trying it, they'll know what I'm talking about, but it feels plumping, but not like tingling in the traditional sense of that like word. It's just plumping. It's plumping. It goes on really nicely. It is a little bit tacky afterwards because it is serumy. But yeah, it feels really, really good on the skin, and it makes you instantly have a glow, and definitely on theme with her like glazed donut type of marketing that she was doing. Definitely on theme. You definitely look super glazed. This paired with an SPF, these two products paired with an SPF and a lip balm, you will be the glowiest girl in town. Like seriously, that's what I was wearing yesterday, and I was like, whoa, I am glass skin central right now. Last but not least, we have the Barrier Restore Cream, which is my favorite, honestly, if I had to say. If you had to only get one thing, if you could only get one thing, then I would definitely recommend the Barrier Restore Cream because I feel like it's just such a good moisturizer. It's looking like, she's like that, and it's actually kind of like really, really thick. The other one turned like watery, this one stays incredibly thick, which I love. And I'm just gonna put that all over. You honestly only need a little bit of this, but like I am a moisturizer like junkie. So whenever I use moisturizer, I always put on like a thick layer, and I just like let it absorb throughout the day. Especially if I'm just like chilling at home, then I definitely just let it absorb into my skin, and I just walk around feeling so juiced. And especially if I'm going to school, when's the last time I went to school? If I'm going to sleep, you guys, my skin is like wet with skincare when I'm going to sleep. So like I layer it on, and I just love that. I love the way that it feels. So this is the Barrier Restore Cream on, you guys, and honestly, I don't know if you guys can tell with my lighting my camera, who sometimes hates me and doesn't want to pick things up, but you guys, it is so glowy on the skin. Those two products mixed together. Don't let you layer an SPF. Don't let you layer an SPF on top of this. You're gonna be so glossy. It's just, you look so healthy. And I love that, and like I just love the products. I love the products, and I'm not getting paid to say this. No reason for me to lie. I truly love the products, and I can tell that she gave us what she likes, if that makes sense. It's not just like, oh, she put together some random products and like released them. She definitely gave us products that you can tell that she would want to use and that she likes, because it definitely gives me the Hailey glow. You know, like whenever you see her, she just has glowy, like beautiful skin and definitely just gives that vibe. And this is exactly how I'm spending my summer. Glossed up, SPF on, juicy lips. Like, this is how we're spending the summer. I'm obsessed, and I really think a lot of people are gonna like this, and I can't, like, now I'm like, I was anticipating this for so long and so excited for it to come, and now I'm more excited for her to launch the new things. I'm like, okay, well, I need her to launch the new things so I can get those. I can be first in line to buy them. Like, I cannot wait. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.